Today we're going to be looking at my new Pelsee 2-in-1 jump starter. This is the E1 edition. It has an air compressor in it, and it also has a jump starter. I was given this product in order to do the product review. My opinions and my review of this product are my own. Let's open the box, see what we have inside. So inside the box you have this nice hard case shell that goes over the Jump Starter Air Compressor. This thing has quite a good little bit of weight to it. Here is the Jump Starter / Air Compressor. I'm going to call it a Jump Starter from here on out. Very nice premium look. Has a light right here. On the top is where you hook your air line to it. On the side here is where you connect your jump starter leads. Up here on top you have some more ports. USB Type-C, that is how you would charge this device. You'll notice it also has 2 USB Type-A's. This is a power bank. You can charge other devices from this device, and that is very handy. We have our jumper leads right here. We have our air compressor lead right here. This is how you would connect the air compressor to your tire. And then you have your USB charging cord. Then we have our other little bits and pieces right here to connect your air line to like pool toys or maybe to air up a basketball or football. And all of that lives inside this case right here. To use the unit, it's very simple. You simply single press the red button. That powers the unit on. If you want to start the air pump, you will long press the red button. And you single press the red button again to get it to stop. Once your air pressure is achieved in your tire or whatever it is you're airing up, this will shut down automatically. You'll notice that it defaults to the bar system. You have a button right here that swaps between all the different air pressure systems. So here I use PSI, so there's PSI. So that's 36 PSI set for a car. You can hit the plus and minus button to make the PSI go up or down. You can hit the mode button, and this changes between different items that you would want to blow up. Motorcycle, bicycle, basketball, and then back to a car, and it's on bar again, so I'm going to swap it back to PSI. Very easy to use. On the end right here, you'll see you have a light. You'll have a light button right down here under the red button. You long press it, and the light will come on. You press it again, and it starts going through its different modes until it turns back off again. And now it's off. So this screen across the top and these buttons here, that's just for the air compressor. You do have a LED light up here to show you the amount of charge left in this system right here. And you don't shut it off, it automatically powers down just like that right there. So knowing that, you might be a little confused about how you would use this to jump start a car. That function comes in this piece right here. When you plug this into the side, this has red and green lights that will go through a test mode. When you have your leads connected correctly to the car, this will go solid green, and then this device is telling you that it's ready to start your car. Remove the cover from the side, plug this in, and you can see that the lights are flashing red and green. It's going through the test mode looking for the battery. It's not going to find a battery because I don't have a battery connected. So it will do that until I unplug it. I'm going to unplug it now. And now we're going to go outside. I'm going to disconnect my battery completely from my automobile. I'm going to hook this jump box to it and see if it will start my automobile without a battery. And this will be the only battery that's connected to it. That's the test I put all my jump boxes through that I review. And that's the test this one's going to go through. And then I have a car outside that's got about 10 PSI too low in the tire pressure on one of the tires. I'm going to use this device to air up that tire. Let's go do that now. So as you see, I have my battery lead disconnected from my battery. I'm going to be jump boxing this Jeep without a battery connected. The jump box will be my battery. That will put it under the most stress. So let me get my jump box connected now. As you can see, I've got a green light. That means go. Battery lead connected, not on the post down here. So let's give it a try. Put my Jeep in neutral. Perfect. So now I'm going to disconnect this. That fired that off without a problem at all. Connect my battery back up. So now it's going back through the test mode again, looking for the battery. The battery's not there. So I'm out here with my car. I'm going to connect the hose to the unit. It just simply screws in. All right, I'm going to power the unit on. So I'm going to hit PSI. 36 pounds. I normally run 31 pounds in mine, so I'm going to go down to 31 pounds. I'm going to connect this, and this is going to tell me how much pressure is in my tire. So I'm showing 19 pounds of pressure. I'm going to let it pump up to 31 pounds of pressure, and let's get it started now. I'm going to long press the power button, and it should turn off automatically at 31 pounds of pressure. Nice. That did a great job. All right, let's go get our final thoughts about this product. Well guys, there you have it. This Pelsee air compressor jump starter unit, it passed all my tests with flying colors. If you're looking for a combo set, air compressor, jump starter, this one right here will be a good one to get. I love the build quality of it. It's got a lot of weight to it, and weight to me always says something about the quality. If you got something that's super lightweight, there's normally not a lot of quality there. This has got a lot of hefty weight to it. It's not too heavy, but it has got some weight to it. I would keep this in the car under my seat, or I'd put it in the trunk or the back hatch of my SUV, and I would let it ride there. I would just keep an eye on it. I would check it once every couple of months to make sure that the battery level is still at a sufficient level to jump off your car, and you won't have any problems. Check it out. I love it. I love the build quality, and I believe you will too.